Okay, this video is going to, we're going to go focus on mixed numbers, and mixed numbers adds another layer that we have to be aware of when we're adding and subtracting fractions. But we're going to focus on adding them, and the first thing is we do the fractions, and then we do the whole numbers. The fractions the same way that we've been doing it. So I need to find a common denominator. I know that 5 can go into 10, so 10 would be a good common denominator. So this would stay 9/10. And, you know, 5 times what gives me the 10? 5 times 2. And that's 8. Denominator stays the same. 9 and 8 is 17. Okay? So I do that part. Then I have 4 and 4 is 8. So technically 8 and 17/10 is correct. However, for functionality of these numbers, if you have a job where you're going to have to add or subtract fractions, it is not very functional to have a mixed number with an improper fraction. So we have to do something here. We're going to change. Now, not only do we have to be aware of if we have to simplify it, now there's another layer. Changing the improper fraction into a mixed number, so we have to remember to do that. So we use division. 17, remember the fraction bar means divide, divided by 10. How many 10s in 17? 1. Remainder 7. This one is the whole number. The remainder is our, oops, that should be 7, right? Remainder becomes our numerator, our top number, and our denominator stays the same. And then I had that 8, so I add that 8 on. Okay, so that would be 9 and 7/10. Okay, on a quiz, if this problem is worth 1 point, and if you just had this, it would be -0.5 on the quiz. Okay, so we have to recognize when to do it, and there will be some problems, a couple problems like this. So if you see an improper fraction, you have to go through the steps to turn it into a mixed number. Also, you have to keep an eye out to see if it needs to be simplified or not. Okay? Any questions, again, send me during Titan time. Mom and Dad have any questions, send me an email, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.